Tourists chase neon lights in Nashville, but ignore a 30-acre site with waterfalls, sacred history, and zero crowds. Priorities are broken. Welcome to the Dam Falls at Old Stone Fort State Archaeological Park in Manchester, Tennessee, one of the coolest hidden gems in the state. This gorgeous cascade flows right over the remains of an ancient earthwork built by Native Americans more than 1,500 to 2,000 years ago. Yep, this isn't just a waterfall, it's a living piece of history. The Old Stone Fort itself was used as a ceremonial gathering place, and archaeologists believe it hosted rituals and celebrations. The walls stretch nearly half a mile long, making it one of the most fascinating archaeological sites in the Southeast. But the falls? They steal the show. The Dam Falls is just one of several waterfalls inside the park, and you can hike easy trails that lead you to roaring cascades, peaceful pools, and stunning views along the Duck River. And get this. Most tourists blast past Manchester on their way to Nashville or Chattanooga and never stop here. That's like driving past Machu Picchu because you didn't feel like pulling over. The Dam Falls gets its name because it once powered an old paper mill and later a hydroelectric plant in the late 1800s and early 1900s. You can still see remnants of the stone foundations and structures along the river, blending industrial history with natural beauty. The falls are part of the Duck River, which is the longest river contained entirely within Tennessee and one of the most biologically diverse rivers in North America. That makes the waterfall not just scenic, but part of an ecosystem that supports hundreds of unique species. So if you're road tripping Tennessee, don't skip this spot. The Dam Falls at Old Stone Fort is nature, history, and pure Tennessee magic all in one.